You know what time that means it is. It is another money video. I'm gonna be showing you how you can make over $500 a week with this social networking app called NextDoor. Now, you don't need to be located anywhere in the world to make this money. You don't need to be any age to make this money. You don't need to spend any money to make this money. I'm gonna show you the reel right here. Now, NextDoor, in case you haven't heard about it, has over 10 million users, okay? Over 260,000 neighborhoods are on NextDoor, so there's a lot of people that we can sell to here. Now, there's 3 steps. Actually, there's a few more, but I'm gonna show you all of that on my computer. The first step is we're going to need to get what's called your affiliate link. Okay, this is a link that when people visit it and get products from it, you make money. And I'm going to show you how that all works. The second step is you're going to join NextDoor. NextDoor is free, so anyone can join it. You just need to join NextDoor and yeah, you get on the app. And then the third step is you message folks. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly what to write. I'm going to show you, so this is just copy paste. Not a word needs to be typed out individually by you. All you need to do is follow the steps. I'm going to get right into it on my computer and show you, no fluff, straightforward, step by step by step by step. And I'm even going to give you a resource guide that you can use so that you just follow the steps, and I'll show you how you can get that, the link to get that on this video. Let's get it. Hey, John Crestani here, and we're going to be going over how to make $500 a week with NextDoor. But for those of you watching, I would really suggest you watch this on a computer because you'll want to open up this resource file in order to actually put this in action and follow along. So the link, as you see right here, is johncrestani.com/resource. And at the very least, flip your phone to landscape mode. Stop scrolling through the comments if you really want to get some value out of this video. Now, I'll be going over a lot of stuff here. I'm also going to be going over our community at the end, but there's a number of steps to get started, and let's dive right into it. So when you click on the resource file, when you go to that link, you'll see a number of methods. These are all the free traffic methods that we've used, that I've posted about up until this point, and you'll see there's a lot of them. And these are the methods. You'll want to apply all of these if you want to start making money. It's just good practice, and it'll help you get in the habit of understanding marketing and what good marketing looks and feels like. So for this method, you'll want to make sure you click on the NextDoor link, which is right, I don't know, you could search for it, but it's right there. And that'll take us down on this page to NextDoor. Now, over 10 million people use this site. They're all from high-income countries. So that's good because it means they have money. And to do affiliate marketing to NextDoor, basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sending out a link. Now, the business model we're going to be using is called affiliate marketing. And it is where you essentially, you send out a link, and when people click on your link and buy the product, you make money, okay? So that's how this works. Now, but in order to get people to want to even buy, I mean, that's the hard part, right? That's why we have all of this marketing set up for you, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. So just a warning, this is 26 very simple steps. None of this requires any experience or marketing knowledge to do, and I'm going to walk you through all of this, but it is a couple steps, so bear with me. So the first step is you'll want to click on this link to open up a Google document. Okay, what this will do is we'll open up a Google document that looks like this. And this is what's called the bridge page or the pre-sell page in affiliate marketing. And this will become your affiliate link that people will click on
and buy from you. The reason we have a bridge page or a pre-sale page is because most people, they don't just want to click on a site. They won't just click on a site and buy something. There needs to be there needs to be things to convince them. And everything on this page is designed to convince people to not only click on this link, but also to watch the training and to ultimately buy from it, which makes you money. Now, the next step you need to do here is you need to go up to this little area that says file, because we need to make this page editable for you to make it your own. So you go to file and you're going to click make a copy right there. Okay, you see that right there. And when you make a copy, you'll get a copy of this page. It will look exactly the same, but the only difference is now you can click on the link and you can edit it to make it your own. So let's get your affiliate link and place it in there so that when people click on this, they'll buy or you make money. Now we're on to step 4, which is registering for Digistore. Now when you arrive at Digistore, you'll see you can log in or you can sign up for an account, and you'll just fill out your information there. Again, the things in stars are required, things without stars are not required, assuming you don't have a company. This is a great affiliate platform. And after you're in, what you'll do is you'll search for so you'll go up to the marketplace right here. Sorry, I kind of skipped over that. You go to the marketplace, which shows up on the page, and then you type in my last name into the search bar. Now, this will bring you to my course, the Super Affiliate System. It says the earnings are $2,000. I'm not sure why that is. The earnings are actually $500 per sale from this. It is a $1,000 training course, and you get 50%, I get 50%. Okay, that's the way it works. I'm going to show you exactly how to get sales for this. So when you're logged in, you will see a link shows up here. It says your promo link. And you'll want to copy this. So just right click and click copy on that link. And you could save it somewhere. Doesn't really matter. But what's important is that you come over to this file that you got, this Google document, and you go to the link. You're going to click on the link. You're going to delete what's in the link and you're going to paste your own link. Okay, see? Now what should show up here, your link won't look exactly the same. Your Digistore link will include your affiliate ID right here. In my case, it's John Crestani. In your case, it'll be whatever you set it as. And then you will click apply. Now there's a little pro tip that comes in here, which is, this isn't necessary, but this really is a huge help. I mean, this is how you get really good at affiliate marketing. Is you want to put in your tracking, they call it the tracking key. Usually it's called the tracking ID or the CID, click ID. There's a lot of different names for it, but you want to put in this little snippet right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this. This is for better tracking. And to do this pro tip, you would edit this link and you could simply put it at the end right there. See, I just pasted that right there. So it looks, this would be your affiliate ID, and this would be tracking key. And what's the point of tracking? Well, we want to try maybe different types of pages, of these documents, or we want to test different messages even too. So I will put in, I'll put in NextDoor message 1, right? So that would be what I'd use as my link in there for the first message. I'll show you as we go along a little more about all this. That's not necessary. So now we're on step 12. Okay, so congratulations, we're already about halfway done. And we're gonna click the share button on our Google Documents. So see right here. So you wanna go to the top right corner up here where that share button is, and you click share. And then you're gonna make sure that this is set to anybody with the link, and you just can copy the link like this and click copy, or you can click this button right here and click copy link and then click done. Okay, now we have our link. At this point, what I like to do is open up a notepad and paste my link in. Once again, here is the resource guide for those of you who actually want to take action and follow along. And real quick, just a kind of cool note about this. If you're wondering what percentage of people actually do anything, take action on my videos, it's about 1%. Okay, so only about 1% of people actually do anything. And it's funny because 1% of people control, I think it's like 80% of the world's wealth. so or something like that. Half of the world's wealth is controlled by the 1%. It's some unbelievably large number, and that's because most people don't do anything. Really, just in life, in their relationship, nobody wants to make hard decisions. Now let's go back here. So we got our link out. We saved our link in a notepad. Okay, so now we saved the link in our notepad. Now what the next step is, we're gonna sign up on NextDoor, and we're gonna find some people's profiles so that we can start messaging them. Okay, so let's open up NextDoor right now, and I'll show you what it's about. So here we are on NextDoor. NextDoor has, again, 10 million people use it, and there's also an app, there's also Google, Apple, and you can sign up with, Google, Facebook, Apple. This is all free, or you could get emailed. Okay, so here we are on NextDoor. We're logged in, and what we're interested in is finding people. Now, one quick note is that I'm not sure if everyone's able to register on NextDoor all over the world, but the goal is to find some posts that have a lot of comments on them. So let's just kind of scroll. This is 6 comments. What I'm really looking for is just to open up people. So we got Kathleen, Amy, Jordan, we got Mario, Rosemary. Great name, Rosemary. So here we have some people. Now the next step is to send them a message using one of our templates below. I also recommend you test your own messages out. Test them against mine. Mine is called the control. So here's some of the message templates, as you see right here. I'm just gonna pick, again, there's a subject line, so I'm just gonna click hey, and I'm gonna use this message. So here we have with Kathleen, and we can send her a message. And we'll just type in hey, and I'll type in this message. Now if you notice, this message won't do anything. It won't do you any good, and that's where you need your link. So let's get our link. And you put in the link right there, and that's great. So then you just click send. Boom, message sent, right? It's that easy. And you do this over and over and over and over and over again. What you want to do is do this 25 times per day, 5 times a week. And that is the path to making $500 a week. Okay, because with 120, here, let's bring up the calculator. And that is because with 125 messages sent times a 1% conversion rate, which is the conversion rate for quality traffic being sent to Super Affiliate System, that means you'll get about 1 sale a week. 1 sale a week is, each sale is $500. So, I mean, that's 0.25 doesn't really count, but you get the point. You make $500 a week. It's really that easy. And you just need to message 25 people a day, 5 days a week. So if you got some value from this video so far, because we're not done yet, we have more to do, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I go over different free traffic methods of how you can get people into your affiliate products that you're promoting, into your business, into whatever you're doing, so you can get traffic from the internet for free. And I go over this on my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos going over this stuff. I also go over advertising and marketing and copywriting and a lot of stuff. I suggest you look through my uploads and find some videos that resonate with you, or just watch my story. I go over kind of my journey and my story here. And also we have a bunch of student testimonials, because what we're doing, what I'm teaching works. What I'm teaching makes people money. And you can see the dozens and dozens and dozens of testimonials of other students who've been applying my methods, like you're watching right here on YouTube today, and using them to make money. I also encourage you to go into the links in the description and join our Discord forum or our Discord channel. We have people from all over the place. Again, I can't be there to answer your questions or conquer your obstacles as you go through this process, but others can, and the community can, because what we're creating is a community of giving, a community of, and again, give more than you get, and discuss with people and help them out in starting their online business. We have a lot of success stories. You can just see we have, people, hey everyone, does this mean I made a sale? Right, their first $182 on Digistore. There's really exciting stuff going on. Another person, first sale. And we just have constant posts like this. This guy's crushing it. Okay, so I'm back on the sheet and it actually looks like we finished all the steps. I thought there were more. So really, in reality, you send out 25 messages a day, 5 times a week. And the pro tips here are change up your message based on, just change up your message and try to beat me. Try to beat the effort, how well my message works. For instance, you send out 25 of my message, and if you got 5 people responding to it, that's a 20% response rate, and you would have to beat that. And then you're getting good at marketing. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to talking with you guys in the future. Have a good one.